So it's stew time. I'm about to make some tomato stew. What am I even saying? Yes, I'm going to use some fresh tomatoes. I'm going to use all of these bell peppers, this lemon. I beg you, I know they use lemon. No, I'm just joking. So I'm going to use bell peppers, tomatoes, tatashe, of course, tatashe, and then I'm going to use some atarudo or scotch bonnet. If you are coming to the UK for the first time or you're trying to move here and you know you're going to be cooking, please do not use more than one or two of these. Depends on how, in short, again as the stew goes small, you have to use half. In Nigeria, we can use all of these for a pot of stew, but here you can't. You have to use like one, just one. Oh, my fridge has been open for so long. Jamal is running to come and close it. Oh, yeah. Thank you, Baba. Good job, boy. Thank you. Don't try it though. You're going to have to throw your stew away. So just use one or two, okay? Because it's very hot. This is some yellow pepper. I'm not sure I'm going to use these, but I'm going to use all of these with onions and some chopped. Let me show you. Yeah. So I'm going to be using some chopped tomatoes as well, and tin tomatoes, Derica. And our stew is going to be lovely. Like once you get it right from the mixture and you blend this stew, you just don't have too much work to do. It's going to come out really good. So let's do this. Even it's not all how it is. want to play with this food because you just ate now. Come and sit on your high chair. Come and sit here. Come and sit. This can't be true. You can't be hungry again, Jamal. I feel like shouting. Ooh, 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 See, you people don't understand. See, I've learned to allow people express themselves if they don't want to express themselves, to be honest, because what thing God do for one person is different. As in, we're all at different places in life and our journeys are quite different. You people. My daughter got missing. Or let me say, my daughter, yeah, she almost got missing, but that's the like, okay, so I'm happy, and I just like feel like telling everybody in the world this thing, like, I feel, see, I've told everybody, really? I feel like telling everybody in the world what has happened. So I have a goddaughter and I have a godson in Abuja, Nigeria, you guys know. So my goddaughter's mom, shout out to you, baby. Shout out to you, baby. She was going to pick her daughter from school. And see, my friend, she likes to have a bath every single time. Bath, now they call her. You too bath. Everywhere they go, they bath. You've had your bath in the morning. Go and pick him from school, you don't bath. This one, so she said she got into the bathroom to take a shower, and one man just told her, see, wear your clothes and be going now. Listen to your inner mind. When your inner mind is talking to you, listen and listen good. She listened, and that is how she now wore her clothes and went to her daughter's school to pick her daughter. On her way, she listened again because one man said, turn right, my dear. What did I say? Turn right. That's my friend turned right and she saw her daughter on the road. So the Pikin leave school. Normally in their school, the parents will go to the reception to say, oh, I've come to pick my daughter or whatever, or my son, and they would go get the child for you from inside the school. Do you understand? To the reception. And that is how this girl left the classroom, past the reception, past the gate, crossed the road, and was walking alone. She's 2 years old. She turned 2 this month. Like, Jamal is like a few weeks older than her because Jamal turned 2 29th of June. So she turned 2 this month, July, this month, and she was walking on the road alone. And my friend just decided to turn. She saw her daughter walking with an umbrella. She was about to take a turn and enter one lungu. You know what we call lungu in Nigeria? And that's how she came down from the car and ran. So my friend literally was shaking. You know, the kind of thing, like, how can you explain this? Because, and this makes me realize that in life we should be kind. Imagine, okay, let me not get to that. But she got to the school and they were begging her. They did not know when she left. Everybody, they were all begging. I'm sorry. I said, if not me, I'll go keep my picking for her first, and I'll come back to that school and say, hey, I've come to pick my daughter. Hey, bring her for me. Let me see. Well, I think that gratitude is everything. We are just too grateful to make trouble. We're too grateful because we still want to talk. If you catch this girl, if somebody picks her or sees her on the road, Nigeria is not safe. I'm sorry to say this here, but yeah. If somebody picks her on the road or sees her on the road and says, where are you coming from? What's the name of your mommy? Mommy. What's the daddy's name? Daddy. Where, how can they get information? It's not like their school. She's in preschool, so no school uniform. Where can they get information from? What if she fell into the wrong hands? What if a car hit her? Do you understand? Like, won't help me just thank God though. However it is, I used to pray to God. If you believe in God, just thank God for my daughter.
thank God for her. You know, we're just so grateful. And I was imagining if we had to now start putting, you know, the tears, would have been crying, would have been scared, would have been worried, you know, would have had imaginations in our heads, would have put her up on blogs, and people would be dropping comments. So be kind with your comments, because I can imagine people saying, not everybody deserves to be a mother. Where was the mother when this child left? You know, and those kind of things to be making the mom cry more. So sometimes if we don't know the full story of things, that's what me I learned. Like, let's just be very kind, because we don't really know in details. Yeah. So just help me say thank you. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I'm super excited. I just thought to come out here and end this vlog like this and say thank God. Okay, you guys, thank God with me. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Until then, I remain your girl. Oh, beautiful. Maybe or Mabel. Bye bye, guys.